Hey, before we dive in, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe, because what I'm about to share could completely change how you think about making money online in 2026. Seriously, you don't want to miss this. Imagine building a profitable business without ever needing a website. No hosting fees, no complex coding, no endless blog posts, no design headaches, just results. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what people are quietly doing right now, and some are making life-changing money from it. Let me tell you a story. Meet Alex. 2 years ago, Alex was stuck in a 9-to-5 grind, drowning in bills and scrolling through YouTube videos about easy online money with a skeptical eye. He tried dropshipping, affiliate blogs, even some freelance gigs, but nothing really clicked. Every method either required too much technical skill or sucked up so much time that he questioned whether it was worth it. Then one day, Alex stumbled across a simple concept: leveraging AI tools to create income streams that don't rely on a traditional website. At first, it sounded almost too good to be true. How could you run a business without a website? Isn't a website the foundation of online business? Here's the twist. The entire idea revolves around content distribution platforms, marketplaces, and AI automation. Alex didn't need a website. He could reach his audience exactly where they already hang out. Places like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, even chat-based apps. And with AI, he could produce content, products, and services faster than ever. In the first month, Alex set up a system where he created digital guides and AI-generated templates. He posted them to a marketplace that already had thousands of buyers looking for exactly what he was offering. Within weeks, he made his first $1,200. And here's the shocking part. He didn't need to build a single web page, write complex copy, or even manage an email list. Everything was automated and sold on platforms that already had trust built in. But it wasn't just about selling products. Alex tapped into another method: AI-powered personal services. He started offering custom AI-generated content, things like marketing scripts, social media captions, and even AI-assisted coaching. Clients could interact with him directly through messaging apps and automated platforms. The AI did most of the heavy lifting, while he focused on strategy and client communication. Suddenly, what used to take him hours of manual work could be delivered in minutes. By month 3, his income had jumped to over $5,000 a month. And the best part? He could scale this indefinitely. More products, more marketplaces, more social platforms, and all without touching a single website. Now you're probably wondering, is this sustainable or is it just a lucky fluke? That's where it gets really interesting. The no-website AI business model is not a trend. It's the beginning of a bigger shift. People are tired of cluttered websites, SEO stress, and constant updates. Audiences crave simplicity, instant access, and direct interaction. By skipping the website entirely, you're meeting people exactly where they already are, and that's incredibly powerful. But this method isn't just for tech experts. You don't need to know coding, SEO, or advanced marketing. You only need 3 things: an AI tool, a platform with an existing audience, and a strategy to deliver value that people are willing to pay for. And here's the kicker: the window is wide open. In 2026, AI tools are becoming more advanced every month. New platforms are constantly emerging. People who jump in now are still ahead of the curve. In fact, I've spoken to dozens of creators, freelancers, and small business owners who are quietly using this approach. Some are earning $500 a month, some $5,000, and a few are breaking $20,000, all without ever building a website. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. But first, let's talk about one of the most shocking stories in this space. A story that will make you rethink the way you see online businesses entirely. This story starts with Emma, a single mom living in a small town in Australia. She had zero tech experience and no idea how to start an online business. Yet she was determined to change her life. One evening, scrolling through social media, she stumbled on the same no-website AI method Alex had used. At first, Emma was skeptical. Like most of us, she thought it sounded too good to be true. But she decided to experiment. Using an AI tool, she started creating customizable digital planners and journals, things that people were already searching for but weren't readily available. Instead of a website, she sold them on an online marketplace with millions of users. Within the first 2 weeks, her first planner sold, then another, and another. She realized she didn't even need to invest in ads at first. The platform already had a built-in audience hungry for her products. The AI helped her design variations, manage inventory digitally, and even automate responses to customer questions. By the end of the first month, Emma made over $2,500, all while juggling her job and parenting. Here's where it gets even more interesting. She didn't stop at products. She started offering AI-assisted coaching sessions for other aspiring digital creators. Using AI to generate content and guide sessions, she could take on more clients than ever before without burning out. In just 6 months, Emma had replaced her full-time income, and all without a single website. So why does this work so well? It's all about removing friction. Traditional online businesses rely heavily on building traffic, designing websites, and figuring out complex sales funnels. With this approach, you skip all that. You're using existing platforms with built-in audiences and letting AI do the heavy lifting. Your job becomes focusing on value, creativity, and customer experience, not tech headaches. Here's a quick breakdown of how you can replicate this. 1. Pick your AI tool wisely. There are tools for content creation, design, marketing, and automation. The right tool depends on what you want to offer, but the goal is the same: reduce time spent on repetitive tasks. 2. Choose your platform. Marketplaces, social media shops, or even AI-driven chat apps work. The key is that the platform already has a user base looking for solutions. This is your shortcut to visibility. 3. Deliver value consistently. AI can generate your product, service, or content, but you still need to ensure it solves a real problem. Quality will always determine your long-term success. 4. Automate and scale. Once your system is in place, scale by replicating your products or services, expanding to other platforms, or offering premium versions. Your income grows without increasing your workload linearly. Now I know some of you are thinking, isn't this risky? Won't platforms change their rules or AI become too common? Here's the thing, every business model has risk, but this approach is versatile. If one platform changes, you can pivot to another. The AI landscape is expanding, not shrinking. And by learning to leverage it now, you're positioning yourself ahead of the curve for years to come. By the end of 2026, this no-website method could become a dominant way people make money online. The early adopters, people like Alex and Emma, are already reaping the benefits. And the best part? You don't need to wait. You can start experimenting today with minimal investment. So if you've been stuck thinking you need a website, a blog, or years of experience to make online money, think again. The future is about simplicity, automation, and meeting your audience where they already are. And yes, AI makes that possible faster than ever before. If you want to take the first step, all it takes is curiosity, commitment, and a little bit of experimentation. Start small, test your ideas, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. Your audience is out there waiting, and your opportunity is wide open. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more real, actionable ways to make money online in 2026. Share this video with anyone you know who's tired of the same old online business advice. They'll thank you later. Remember, the game is changing, and the early movers always have the biggest advantage. Don't wait. Start exploring this no-website AI method today, and you could be the next success story we're talking about tomorrow.